Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share a CapCut project in mobile. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, okay, or Google Play, and make sure that your that your CapCut and or any other app is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. If you want to share a CapCut, project on phone, if you want to send a project to someone, you can compress the large video into zip files to send via email or use other platforms like Google Drive services or file transfer services. You can also use CapCut's email option to share links to edited videos via email, or it also allows you to share videos directly on social media platforms. So you can go back to your screen right here and go to your CapCut. Since we are using phone, basically double check if you can share that project. If you click the three dots next to that project, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see upload to space, rename, duplicate, whatever it might be. If you upload it to space right here, just go ahead and hit upload, right? And basically click on the space right here, and you're gonna be able to see the videos that you saved right here, right? And you're gonna be able to see that video being uploaded, and now you're gonna be able to share it to other platforms. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.